Hey everyone, this is Dream from Where the Yokels Grow, and in this video we are going to be planting raspberries in 20-gallon containers. If you all are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, I'm so glad to see you again. Let's get growing, y'all. Y'all, we're going to be planting a golden raspberry today in a 20-gallon container. Last year I got into planting my berries in containers. All my berries are planted in 20-gallon containers just to make sure they have enough root space, but it was lack of ground space for these berries that led me to do a lot of research and plant them in containers, and I had a lot of success with them. So I wanted to add some more to my garden this year, and these are in our sensory garden for our youngest grandson who loves this garden. It is a smell, taste, touch, and hear sound garden. So let's get to it. It's gonna be a little bright, and I apologize for that ahead of time, but let's get to planting this raspberry.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on.
First, we're gonna make a hole, like you see me doing here, using extra soil around this pot. To this soil, I already added True's Berry organic food. And a little extra soil, finish it off. You want to finish it all the way. Now, the plant you see in here is not a raspberry. I'm just using it to kind of make my hole, and here we go, and there you go, we have our hole for a raspberry. Okay, y'all, we're gonna plant this raspberry. This is a golden raspberry, and as you see in the video up here, I soaked the roots already, and as you see in the other video here, you will see that I made this hole inside of this pot already. So it makes it easier for us to transplant. So once your roots have soaked, about a good 15-20 minutes I think is good. We're gonna pull it out. And look at that hole that we made. Fits perfectly. Okay, I'm going to take this off the top, straighten her up just a little bit, cover her up, and voila, raspberry is planted. Go ahead and use the water that you soaked it in, fill it up, water it in. Alright everyone, they are planted. This is the new one I just planted. This is a golden raspberry. And this, even though it looks dead, I promise it is alive, is the other golden raspberry that I have.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat.
Hey y'all, if you found value in this video today, please be sure to give us a like with a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified when new videos are posted. And as always, I love hearing from you, so please be sure to leave us a comment, and I love answering all your questions. Until I see you all in the next video, take care you all. Keep growing. Bye-bye.